For many auto repair shops, Google Business Profile is one of the most important lead sources in local search. In 2026, AI can help shops stay active there with better posts, service updates, review responses, and customer-facing content. America's Best Shops helps auto repair shops use AI to turn simple shop updates into consistent visibility. Instead of wondering what to post, AI can help generate content around seasonal services, maintenance tips, specials, and trust-building messages. This matters because many customers decide where to go based on what they see first in Google. A neglected profile can look inactive, while an active one looks trustworthy and current. AI does not replace strategy, but it helps shops keep the profile fresh without spending hours writing. If you want more map visibility and more confidence from searchers, start treating your Google profile like a real marketing asset. Small updates can help create big differences in local customer action.